Hey folks, Grant here at Langston Motorsports. Summertime, well, that's sport bike season. And yes, I know a lot of us do have motorcycle jackets, but do you have the right one for you? I want to show you a few options that we have here at Langston Motorsports. The first one is the Scorpion Influx. TIF strips front and back. It has great sweat absorbing collar, which helps with mold protection. And of course it has a removable liner at a great price. Or possibly you want something that just keeps you a little bit cooler. Here we have the Alpine Star T Faster Air. As you can see, a lot of mesh paneling for ventilation. It's got elbow, back and shoulder protection. It's got a high biz, and for a high-end brand, it's a really great price. Maybe you're looking for something a little more formal. You'll love the speed and strength. Dark Horse. It's made from buffalo leather. It's pre-broke in, form-fitting, vented in the perfect areas, and it has stretch panels so that you can move around the bike nice and easily and look cool while doing it. Our last option is the Highway 21 jacket. It's a great value for money product. It's fully vented. Yes, it comes with protection. And the other great thing is, should you get caught in a rainstorm, it comes with its own rain jacket that fits over, and you can wear a chest protector underneath it. So come check us out, Langston Motorsports.